Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the practical, that is test for sugar in the urine. The test for the sugar in the urine, we also called it as Benedict test. First, what is the principle of this Benedict test? Okay, the test for the principle of this Benedict test is that sugar present in the urine reduces the copper sulfate in alkaline medium into cuprous oxide when heated. Okay, that produces the color when heated. This is a principle. So what is the procedure? Before the procedure, the things required for doing this Benedict test are: this is a Benedict reagent. The main component of this Benedict reagent is that copper sulfate. In the principle only I told you that the sugar present in the urine reduces the copper sulfate in alkaline medium into cuprous oxide. When heated, it produces the color in the urine. Okay. What is the procedure? First, very simple. We need to take a test tube, and the things required are: it is a patient urine sample, spirit lamp, and the test tube with a test tube holder. First, what I am doing, I am taking a 5 ml of exactly 5 ml of Benedict reagent. So this is 5 ml of Benedict reagent I am taking. Okay. After taking 5 ml of Benedict reagent, next I am heating the Benedict reagent for 2 minutes. I am heating the Benedict reagent for 2 minutes. Why we need to heat the Benedict reagent for 2 minutes? Is that to check its purity. After heating it for 2 minutes, so if suppose there is any change in the color of the Benedict reagent, we need to discard and we have to take a fresh Benedict reagent. If suppose there is no change in the color of a Benedict reagent, that time we have to continue the further step of the procedure. See, is there any change in the color? There is no change in the color of the Benedict reagent. Now what I am doing? So I am taking exactly 8 drops or 0.5 ml of urine in a test tube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am continue heating. So if suppose sugar is present in the urine, it starts producing the color. So now the color of the Benedict reagent changes to green color. Green color indicates 0.5%. After green color, now it changes to yellow color. Yellow color means it is 1%. So now orange, that is 1.5. Finally, if suppose more than 2% of sugar is present in the urine, it produces a brick red color in the urine. It indicates more than 2% of sugar is present in the urine. When in a blood more than 180 mg per dl of sugar is there, that time only you will detect the sugar in the urine. See, now it is exactly a brick red color in the urine. This is a test for Benedict test. Thank you.